Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by preparing your environment. Install Python 3, 8 through 3, 11, and add it to path so Vscode recognizes it. Once done, install Visual Studio Code and the official Python extension, and add remote WSL if you plan to use the Windows subsystem for Linux. Make sure you create and open a dedicated project folder in Vscode. This keeps dependencies isolated and lets you initialize a virtual environment immediately. Now create and activate a virtual environment using Python mvenv, venv and source, venv/bin/activate or venv \scripts \activate. Next, upgrade pip and install Tensorflow with pip install upgrade pip, then pip install Tensorflow or pip install Tensorflow CPU for machines without GPU. Make sure to select that virtual environment as the Vscode interpreter. This ensures linting, debugging, and the terminal use the same Python. If you plan to run notebooks, also install Jupyter and the Jupyter extension in Vscode. Finally, run a simple script to verify Tensorflow. Import Tensorflow as TF, print TF. Version, so you confirm the install and version. Use the Vscode debugger with breakpoints for stepwise inspection and inspect tensors with the variables pane. This makes debugging models far easier. If you encounter import or GPU errors, first confirm the correct interpreter and that your virtual environment is activated. Then verify CUDA and cuDNN compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.